Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. If you love watching home organizing, home decor, cleaning routines, meal planning, DIY videos, in short, everything related home and life, then subscribe to Home #Life not to miss new uploads and find us on Instagram and Facebook for more pictures, videos and life updates.
It's the same old sound in the same old town.
We all are taking extra care now more than ever. To make sure that we are safe from the pandemic, we follow some hygiene routines like sanitizing our hands, covering our faces, and being very careful about where we go, what we do. We are more cautious now, more than ever. And to boost our immunity, we are eating healthy foods and trying to stay fit. But do we also take care to check our mental and emotional health? It is something that won't be obvious, but it will affect us. That's why we need to find ways to make ourselves happy and cheerful more than ever.
It's the same old sound in the same old town.
In this video, I'm going to share a few tips, small lifestyle changes and routines that I practice that help me stay positive. You could pick a few from them, add a few yourself. The important thing is to make sure that we are in a positive state of mind, and it will inspire and motivate our family as well. So, let's get started. Nowadays, there is no school or office. There is no morning rush as such, no dabbas to be packed, no bus to run to, no uniforms to be ironed in a hurry. That's great, sure. But you know there is a downside to it. We don't eat and sleep on time. That leaves us on low energy. All our routines have gone out of the window. Our lifestyle has changed. If not completely, then immensely. Slowly, we tend to get into this easy, sometimes I can say lazy mindsets as well. And then our chores pile up and we get all frustrated. It's a vicious cycle. That's why I emphasize on sticking to routines now more than ever. I will share our new morning and night routine with you all. If you would like, do let me know in the comment section. And if you are wondering why new, because we are living in a new normal world. Do you know that our body clock begins shutting down after sunset and comes awake at sunrise? As much as possible, try and wake up early. I wake up at 6 and go about my daily activities with a specific time target. The first thing I do is drink water stored in a copper jar. This is a small lifestyle change that I have made. You must be knowing by now. Plenty of studies show that drinking water stored in copper overnight has immense benefits. Waking up early at a particular time every day helps me managing all chores with clarity and good cheer. I remind and push myself to stick to a daily plan even though things are different now. And trust me, it works wonder on your mind. Trust me, it works wonder. Waking up early by being in sync with our body clocks help us achieve the first tip I mentioned earlier, that is, stick to routines. When we finish tasks, big or small, don't you feel a sense of achievement? Yes, we all do, right? and you will be so glad to know that sense, that feeling releases happy hormones into our body, and that helps us stay positive. So work it backwards, ladies. How should you, plan your day so you can hit the bed at 9:30 or 10 at least and sleep off by 10:30? Keep reminding yourself, if there is a will, there is a way. More than ever before, the home is now the safest place on earth. And we should ensure that this place that has so many avatars now, like office, school, hobby center, restaurant, master chef kitchen, and so on, is clean, pleasant, warm, and welcoming. I take out an hour every day and attend to the home, be it a dusting routine, organizing a room a day, or trying out new and simple decor ideas. I really love dressing up the home. Just a small addition here and there instantly lifts my mood. With little touches, we can make even an ordinary dining time memorable. For instance, this tablecloth has lifted the look of the dining area. Maybe tonight I will take out my nice crockery, cook up a special meal, and create a dinner outing feel in the home itself. Yes, that's the new normal. Now is a great time to do something that you always wanted to do. Sign up for an online course. It could be, taking a session of how to decorate home, or learn about plantation, learning interior design courses, or trying your hands with gardening. Learn how to take care of plants. That's exactly what my husband is doing now. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, these things will put you in a pleasant and positive mood. In fact, you could use this time to teach kids any life skills according to their age. It will help them to grow as a responsible adult. You can also use this time to explore Meesho, the online reselling app with zero investment. All you have to do is download the Meesho app and sign up. The link has been shared in the description box below. Then start browsing products and categories, connect with your friends and family, and begin. You could add your margin and make profits slowly and steadily. Not only to resell, but also to buy a few products for your own home, like this planter, copper jug, this table cover. The prices are very reasonable, and you can find all related reviews and real pictures on the app itself before buying it. The products will be delivered by Meesho. They maintain a no contact delivery option where Meesho takes all possible measures during this pandemic. Always invest a little alone time for your own happiness. Make it part of your daily routine. Another really big lifestyle change is that we don't go out for lunch or dinner, and we don't order in as much as we used to, because we are a bit hesitant and afraid. That's why the kitchen has nowadays become the buzz zone of the house, right? We keep trying new things, and of course, the people at home are always hungry, isn't it? But as much as I love cooking, I love to add a few decor touches that are also functional. But as much as I love cooking, I love to add few decor touches that are also functional. I have picked up this hen basket from Meesho and I'm keeping eggs in here. You can keep potatoes, onions or fruits also. It adds a nice touch in our kitchen where we are spending at least half of our day, now more than ever. Talking about recipes, pick a few recipes that completely new each week. Challenge yourself. Involve the family members and have some fun in the kitchen. Kids will learn some life skills and we all will make some heartwarming memories. I learned a new recipe today and I'm going to try it. I will serve a nice hearty lunch for my family. I have made sauteed prawn, then dal fry, vegetable pulao, pindi chana and masala lobia. As a family, we don't like lobia, but this recipe did the wonder. Everyone loved it. Don't get overwhelmed. It's not very difficult to prepare. You don't need loads of fancy ingredients and time to prepare all this. It's all about trying something new, and of course, it's about this moment that we are sharing with each other. When we try something new, that itself is a great accomplishment and it instantly boosts our confidence. WhatsApp groups, news channels, phone calls, everything is all about the pandemic. Actually, even this bit is about it. But I'm trying to tell you something positive, so that's okay. Please do not consume too much of negative news. Yes, we need to know what's happening, but restrict it to bare minimum. Continuous exposure of negativity will have a deep impact on our mental state. So do know what's happening, but switch off and say no to too much news details. Rather, concentrate on those things that overwhelm you or those that you usually don't find time for, like reading a book. A healthy mind in a healthy body. We have heard this saying, but now since times are different, I would like to say a healthy body in a healthy mind. So, let's try every minute to stay positive and make our homes a positive zone now more than ever. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you found these tips helpful, and also let me know what your positive stories are in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to share this video with your loved ones and subscribe to Home #Live for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.